unboxing for you today of two bags. This is from I said in the title, it's a new brand. It's not a brand new brand. They've been around since 2008, but it is a luxury brand. They use very nice materials, and it's a brand that is new to me and probably new to most of you. So going to unbox this. Let's look at these together. I've never seen them in person, so I'm excited, but I'm also a little bit nervous about it. We'll see. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. So like I said, I have an unboxing today of two handbags from this new mystery company. I will reveal that once I reveal the handbags to you, because we have to keep some mystery on this channel, don't we? I can't reveal everything to you. I was shopping Memorial Day sales and I found these at Dillard's, and apparently this brand doesn't go on sale very often. Here's the inside of the box. And there aren't many videos about them at all. There were some from QVC, so it's also sold on QVC. The only other YouTuber I remember seeing any videos about these bags from, there may have been a couple other sort of random ones, but Joshi Michael, who is one of my YouTube friends. If you haven't heard about him, go check out his channel. He has an incredible selection, and you think I've been buying a lot lately? He's constantly buying all kinds of handbags, and he ranges from contemporary brands to, you know, Vuitton, Chanel, those high-end luxury brands that we all love. And when I saw these on the Dillard's website, there was one, the smaller one. There are two different bags, two different sizes here. The smaller one I'm actually planning to use as a pouch in another bag. And then I came across the handbag also, and I was interested in that, but not sure. And with quarantine, I'm not going out shopping right now other than the grocery store. So I was hesitant to order these online, but I saw Joshi's videos and he was just raving about them and raving about the leathers. So I thought, well, I'll give it a try. And if I don't like them, I can just blame him. And if I do, I can blame him also. Okay. I guess both of them are wrapped up in here, or did they send them in two different? This looks like it's only one bag. Maybe they sent two different packages and didn't tell me. Okay, so I think this is just one bag and it's the larger one. So I guess when the other bag arrives, I will just add it to this video. It's rather nice. Joshi Michael has this exact bag, and I was watching his video on it, and it looked like it might be too shiny for me in his video, but it's hard to tell on video, so you have to see it in person. Okay, let me just hold it up first before I even touch it, so you can see what it looks like. And hopefully the lighting will adjust. Let me turn it a little bit here. So this handbag brand, you can see it's stamped on the bag there. It's called Hammit Los Angeles. And this particular bag is called the Dillon, and this is the medium size. Oh, it is very soft, yeah, and very pliable. Ooh. This is the thing that I keep hearing, the few videos that I have seen on these Hammit bags, is that the leathers are just exquisite. And that's a big part of what makes them a luxury brand. Okay, I was also concerned that since it is full leather, that it might be too heavy, but it doesn't feel too heavy. Wow. Okay, let me just give you quick first impressions here. And there's some really special things about this bag, so make sure you stick around and watch the whole thing. Because if you just look at it right now, you don't know everything about it yet. It has secrets. It's nice. It has a nice weight to it, but it's not too heavy. And like I said, I thought this bag looked like it might be too shiny, and I'm sure it's coming across looking very shiny on the screen here. Really pretty. Now that I see it in person, I'm not sure that it really is too shiny. Oh, it smells good. It has that nice leather smell. Okay, I'm not sure where to begin on this bag because there is so much to it. Let's just first, you know what, I'm gonna undo the strap so that that's not in my way here. This strap is so soft. Okay, I'll have to show you that in a minute. Price, this bag was originally about $500, maybe a little bit more than that, and I got it on sale for $321. So let me hold this up and do a spin first. And I have to kind of move it around so you can see the different textures since it's so very black. So you can see on the bottom piece of leather here, it's stamped to look like crocodile. And then these top two leathers on this flap and this flap look like lizard. Joshie said snake. It has Hammit stamped in silver like you saw earlier there. That's one thing that I saw about these bags that I wish they would, in my opinion, it would be an improvement, is to put the letters, instead of stamping them and foiling them, and sometimes they're not foiled in the leather, to actually have metal pieces like on this Coach piece. I think that looks more high-end. On the sides you have these grommets. The colorway on this is like a Chanel So Black. So the hardware is not black, but it's a very dark silver. The zippers on these two pouches here do look like they might be black, but the big rivets are dark silver. There's the front of the bag. Then the side, you can tell it has two pouches there. And then there's the back, it has that snake lizard, and then Hammit is stamped again, and then the rivets on both sides. This back has zipper, and the zipper pull is that same dark metal. The zipper pulls on the front here are the snake lizard leather. Now, what's really special about this bag, so you can use the strap, obviously, that's detachable, it's also adjustable. And you can wear that crossbody or over your shoulder, or you can detach it completely and have the bag be a clutch. Now here is the very cool thing about this bag. It's called the Dillon 6 Ways because you can wear this bag in 6 different ways. So this is one way, and then you can take this flap and flip it over. So now you can wear it this way. That's way number 2. Underneath this flap, it has this very soft pebbled leather. Beautiful. So that's 2. I'm guessing this would be 3. And then you can also take this flap and flip it over this way. So now what was the front of the bag is now the back. And here is another look for the bag if you want the 2 flaps on the same side. So you have mostly the snake lizard and then this pebbled leather showing here. And I've lost count of how many ways that is. And I don't actually know all 6. Would it be that you could wear it that way as the front? Or this way at the front? Maybe that's it. If you have 2 flaps on one side of the bag, then on the back you would have a zipper compartment on either side. Okay, there's stuff in this one. There's a lovely cotton dust bag and a little card. This is probably care instructions. Yes, care instructions and their warranty. The Hammit bags have a lifetime warranty, which is really cool. Okay, and then this book shows you the 6 ways to wear it. So I think I was right. You can have both flaps on one side, one flap on either side, both flaps on the other side. Let me demonstrate this again. Here's 1, here's 2, here's 3, here's 4, here's 5, and here's 6. So those are the 6 ways you can wear it. Okay, I think I was here a minute ago. I unzipped this back pocket. There's so much to this bag, I'm getting lost. And when you open up that back pocket, the inside is a suede, and it's this bright red, which is a signature of theirs. And this one, it may be a little difficult to see. I think you can see it on the corner there. It has a snakeskin, lizard skin kind of print in the suede. You've got a card holder here and then just a big open compartment. If you go to the other side that has the same zip structure, unzip that one. That side has another big compartment and then it has 2 slip pockets here and that same red suede lining. If you have it flipped where there's a flap on either side, then there's one big compartment in the middle. And there you can see that lizard print much better. Or this one looks like croc. So you can have the bag, stick your hand in, stick your phone in. That would be an easy way to keep track of your phone. And each of these flaps has a zipper. And each of those is also lined in the red suede. This is so soft. It's really nice. So that was one of the flaps. Here's the other flap with the red suede. As I was watching some of the videos on this bag, the founder of the company, he was saying that these flaps were designed specifically to put your sunglasses in or your regular glasses, and that you don't need to have them in a case because the suede is soft enough that it keeps them protected. And then they're not in one of the bigger pouches with all your other stuff getting scratched up or smashed. All right, so I was on the fence about this before I saw it in person. but seeing it in person now, touching it, feeling the leather, playing with it, it's a really fun bag to play with because you can wear it so many different ways. I really love the center pocket. It's really beautiful. Mine, of course, is all black. It's monochromatic, but they make several of these bags in different colors. Like, you know, each side can be a totally different leather and a different color. And there were a few other ones that I already had my eye on. Really gorgeous. So I will link below the Dillard site where you can find some of these Hammit pieces on sale and see some of the other styles they have. And I'll also link the actual Hammit website where you can see some of their more current pieces. A lot of the Dillard pieces aren't on the Hammit website anymore, so if you look at both of them, you'll get a bigger selection. I'm really impressed with it. All right, now I'm anxiously awaiting the other bag that I ordered that I plan to use as a pouch, but is also actually a bag. Let me give you dimensions on this real quick. Okay, it's just over 10 inches this way and just over 7 inches this way. On this particular model of the bag, the strap on both sides is that lizard snakeskin print. And again, it is just so soft and malleable, and this will be so comfortable to wear. I can tell that. I mean, that's a no-brainer. I love it. Well, now I'm really looking forward to getting that other bag, and thanks to the magic of YouTube, you don't even have to wait. You get to see it right now.